Hi guys, welcome to Study Express Academy. So today we'll be going through differentiation, just a short or little trick that you used to do. All right. So now today, if you have a function like y equals a raised power n, that's a polynomial function. They'll just say that dy dx equals, you bring the power down, you have n ax raised power n minus 1. So what do we even call this dy dx? We call it the gradient, okay? We call it the gradient function. So let's just quickly do an example. It's just that easy. Bring the power down, multiply with the coefficient. So this a is the coefficient of x raised power n, while the n is the power of the variable x, all right? So let's do an example. If y equals 3x raised to power 4, then what will be dy dx? Then dy dx equals, now in this case, this is your a, so and this is the n, right? So just bring this n down. So just like we have n times ax, that'll be 4 times 3x raised to power 4, then subtract 1 from here, minus 1. So therefore, dy dx becomes 12x raised to power 3, and that's all. See, so easy, right? Now let's do one more as another example. Probably we have y equals 12x raised to power 6 minus 3x raised to power 2. Now, what is going to be dy dx in this case? So our dy dx is going to be 6 times 12. You're going to have 72 x raised to power 6 minus 1, you have 5. So this time around, we do the second one also. So by this time, we'll have minus 3 here, right? So by the time you bring those two down, 2 times minus 3, you're going to have minus 6 x raised to power 2 minus 1, you have x raised to power 1. And that's how to differentiate. So let's just do one more. We can actually have inverse or exponential functions with fractions like this. If you have something like this, now how are we going to solve this type of question? You know, for me, this becomes y equals 3x raised to power minus 2. So therefore, your dy dx becomes minus 6 as usual, x raised to power minus 2 minus 1. So how do I get this minus 6? Minus 2 times minus 3, you get minus 6. So the final result becomes minus 6 x raised to power minus 3. So the last one before we move is just give another example, probably something of some sort. I'm going to wait 2 seconds, probably just want to check through anything. Okay. Now, what if we have another example this way? If we have something like this, how do you solve this type of question? That becomes y equals x raised to power 1 over 2, right? So what's the coefficient here? The coefficient here is 1. So therefore, we go for dy dx. Our dy dx becomes, this 1 over 2 comes down, that'll be 1 over 2 times 1x raised to power. Then you subtract 1 from the power. Raised to power minus 1 over 2 minus 1. So what's going to be the answer? The answer becomes 1 over 2 x raised to power minus 1 over 2. So according to law of indices, this becomes 1 over 2 times 1 over x raised to power 1 over 2, right? So this is our dy dx. So finally, your dy dx becomes 1 over 2. Then what is x raised to power half? That will be square root of x. So if y equals square root of x, then the y dx equals 1 over 2 root x. So try this out and let me see your answers in the comment section. Okay, try this out, and any other thing you see, we're going to go on with different topics later. So I'm sure you can actually use this as a trick to differentiate other terms right now. Thank you very much, and you're welcome.